Guys, I found another canned wine at Whole Foods, and you know what? It's not too bad. Okay. Honestly, with rosé, I'm not that picky. As long as it's not sweet, I can get down. This is called ICANN, Crisp Refreshing Wine. It's from Washington State. You're getting 2.5 glasses of wine per can. I feel like I paid like around $5 for this. Bargains. Also, look at how cute this bottle is. It's so tropical and summery. You guys, it is time for my monthly favorites. I'm super stoked to tell you guys about a jewelry company that I have been loving. It's Ana Luisa Jewelry, and this video is in sponsorship with their brand. Now, I do want to tell you guys, I would never be sponsored by any sort of a company or product that I was not super passionate about. I've actually gotten a number of offers for sponsorships in the last few months, and I've turned them down because I just wasn't interested in their brand or it wasn't speaking to me. However, this one is, so I'm so excited to introduce their jewelry to you. They sent me 3 pieces of jewelry, one of which I am wearing right now. Their company is a totally sustainable jewelry company. It actually takes 20 tons of earth mining to produce one single ring of gold. That's why a lot of brands don't tell you where their gold is coming from. Ana Luisa uses 100% recycled gold in all of their products. So when bigger brands are charging you sometimes up to 10 times what the cost of production was, Ana Luisa eliminates the retail markup, which keeps the prices as fair and accessible as possible. Another thing that I think is great about their brand is they offer a complimentary 1-year warranty on every product. So they sent me 3 pieces of jewelry of my choosing. They all do happen to be earrings. However, they do sell rings, necklaces, bracelets, and there's a little something for everyone. If you want something funky and different, they have that. If you want something really subtle and fine and dainty, they have that. These are called the Kanoko Blue Marble style, and I just love these. These were the first earrings that popped out on their website. I love them because they literally look like I'm wearing fine china on my ears, and I've actually had several people stop me and say, "Where did you get those earrings? Those are so unique and gorgeous." The quality of these earrings is absolutely stunning, and I wanted to show you how it comes in the mail. This is the box that it comes in, and it pulls out like a little handy dandy drawer. You have your jewelry inside in little velvet pouches, which is lovely. Now I'm going to show you the other 2 pieces I got. One of them I actually did wear in another video, and they are a little bit more traditional because they're gold hoops, but they're like kind of a funky take on a gold hoop. So these are called the mismatched Sakai, and the reason I love these is because they're a gold hoop, but they're different, right? Because they're asymmetrical, different sizes, and they're also kind of rough around the edges. You know what I mean? They're not a perfect circular gold hoop, and I love that. The other thing I love about all of the pieces I'm showing you is that they're really lightweight. I don't know if you guys know this, but I have like really dainty earlobes, so when they were pierced really low. So I don't have a lot of lobe to hold up my earrings, and I don't want to be one of those women who has her earlobes tear. Ugh. No one wants that. So these are so fine, and I can barely feel that I have them on. So this is the mismatched hoop set. So these are a different pattern in the style that I showed you before, of that sort of like marbly blue situation. These are really funky and vibrant. I will say that this Kanoko style comes in some different colors and patterns that are just gorgeous. So definitely check that out. I just wanted to give you guys a taste of the brand. This is a relatively new company, and I just really want to support them because I love their aesthetic. I love their vibe. I think they're really hip. I think they're really inclusive. It makes total sense that I love this company because they are based in New York City. To be specific, they're based in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. If you haven't been to Greenpoint, run, do not walk, because it's rad as hell. I have included a link down below in the description box that you can click on, and you can use my code CATE10 for $10 off at checkout. So moving on to the rest of my favorites from July. I've heard so many good things about this mascara. This is the Milk Kush Mascara. I know I'm a little bit late to the game on this, but I'm wearing this today. I will also tell you that I am wearing my magnetic 1-2 lashes right now, so I'm not giving you just natural lashes, but this really helps to plump them up, and I feel like this is a good all-around mascara. It defines your lashes, it feathers them, it's going to give you some density, it's going to fill your lashes out. I don't feel like it has a lot of transfer, for me at least. I feel like as long as I set my under eye, I'm gonna be okay. I have to say that the packaging on this is great. I mean, I don't know, some people probably don't like a heavy product, maybe not the best thing to travel with, but I just feel really got something heavy in my hand. I know they also recently came out with a waterproof version of this mascara, so if you're a waterproof mascara person, check that out. The next mascara I've been loving is the Colourpop BFF mascara. This, for the price point, is fantastic. Guys, this Kush mascara I think is around $24. This is $8. And honestly, I think they're both equally good. This is, again, giving me really feathery, thick lashes. It reminds me a lot of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise and Better Than Sex. I don't notice a lot of flaking or transfer. Again, I cannot tell you how important it is to set your under eye. If you don't set your under eye with powder, you are always gonna have transfer. You're always gonna have raccoon eyes. So step number one, make sure you're doing that. I really love this, and I haven't tried the other colors, but this comes in a lot of really fun, funky shades if you want to try something new. I'm really impressed because, as we know, mascara is one of those things that can just fall flat on its face. You guys are probably noticing that my hair color is different. I decided to go mocha. I grew up as a blonde, right? I'm mostly Norwegian, Welsh, and Danish. That's my heritage. So I grew up as a blondie, but as I got older, which I feel like happens with a lot of blondes, my hair got, you know, brown. You saw my natural hair color was sort of like a medium brown, and I decided to just kind of go mocha with it, which I actually feel like I'm really liking, and it's closer to my natural hair color. I don't know, maybe brunettes have more fun. So what I am wearing as a base on my lips is the Colourpop Velvet Blur lipstick in the shade Hey Mr. DJ. I don't know if they sell this shade anymore. If they don't, I will find you a similar shade and link it down below. But what I love about this is it's just like such a fresh peachy coral color. It is such a flattering shade on every skin tone, and it just looks healthy. So that's the lipstick I'm wearing. I have been wearing this shade out. But what's really driving it home is the gloss that I have over it. I know everyone has been in love with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is actually a different shade that they came out with a while back. It's called Fussy. And this is totally up my alley. It is this beautiful sort of shimmery baby pink color. Again, just a really natural gloss that looks good on every skin tone. The texture of this gloss is buttery. It's so reflective. It makes my lips look so juicy. I don't know why I was not giving into the whole Fenty lip gloss sensation, because worth it. Also, even though I'm not specifically listing my magnetic lashes as my favorite for this month, they are one of my favorites, and I will link that down below as well. But guys, I know there's a lot of Colourpop in this video, but what can I say? They're just nailing it to the ground. This is their lippy scrub, and this is something that I've included in my giveaway. If you haven't entered it yet, you should enter down below. This is the only flavor I have, which is Squeeze the Day, and I mentioned in another video that it kind of tastes like lemon curd. I just really like this formula. This is one of the first things I apply in the morning just to make my lips look, I don't know, not like dried up raisins on my face. And it has a really nice moisturizing effect too, which really preps your lips nicely for whatever you decide to put on your lips that day. Last but not least, I want to talk about a skincare product that I have been loving. And yes, it is a mini version that I got at Sephora, but you best believe I got 2 of these samples, so they are lasting me forever. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and this is something I've been wanting to try for a while, and you can see it's got a really sort of light jelly consistency. So many nighttime leave-on masks just have this consistency that honestly at times has kept me up at night, because I felt like my face was sticky, and suddenly I'm waking up in the middle of the night and my face is stuck to my pillow. Do you know what I'm talking about? This, I don't even notice. I usually put it on like at least an hour before I go to bed. You can do all your normal things, you know, like your serum, your retinol, your face oil, your moisturizer, whatever, and this is going to be the last step. And what you want to do is take a couple generous dips of your finger into the product. Then you want to just pat it onto your face. You don't want to rub it. It seals in the moisture. It is so light and so comfortable while being hydrating at the same time. The purpose of this is for radiance and softening. It has watermelon, AHA, and hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid, if you don't know, is one of the most moisturizing things you can throw on your face. Actually, kind of surprised about this product because I was a little skeptical. I just feel like it was a little gimmicky. Watermelon, who doesn't love watermelon? It's summertime. I don't know. I just was like, is this really a thing? But you know what? I take it back. I was wrong. This is legit. Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask. Good job. I forgot. The last thing I want to show you is not a beauty product whatsoever. It's a pair of shoes. These shoes are so exceptional, and I mean to tell you, every single damn time I wear them, people are literally stopping me, asking me where I got them. So these shoes right here, also back it up in the comments about how big the shoe is. Yes, I'm 5'10" and I wear a size 11, and I'm faced with that fact every damn day of my life. These are Charles by Charles David, and I will find the exact style and list it below. I feel like a straight up sexy ass Italian woman walking myself around this ship in these shoes. Also, oh my god, they go with my earrings. Nailing it. Thank you guys so much for joining me for my July favorites. I hope you found something you want to give a try. If you get a chance, please check out Ana Luisa Jewelry. As I said, I'm going to link their site down below, and you can use my code KATE10 for $10 off of your order. If you guys are enjoying my content, please do subscribe, share, and like, and click that little bell right beneath the video with the parentheses around it. That is going to alert you anytime I drop a new video. Okay, bye.